Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the floorcare.biz x17SS side-by-side. In this brief overview, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your equipment to keep it running at peak performance, and it's going to help eliminate the cost and need of seeing a service tech. So before operating the machine, a few things we want to look over. Go ahead and take your power cord and just look over your power cord. You want to make sure there's no broken parts in it, no frays. You also want to take a look at your plug-in right here. You want to make sure that your plug-in is in good condition. You've got your ground plug on there. Now let's take a look at the whole handle itself. Right here is your locking button for your triggers. Go ahead and push that down. Give your trigger a squeeze and make sure you hear that click on that switch inside. Release it, and then try it again with the triggers. Take a look at your triggers while you're doing that. You want to make sure that they're not broken or damaged in any way. Now come over here and take a look at your circuit breaker. You want to make sure that your circuit breaker is in good shape. It's not tripped or anything. Coming down a little further, let's take a look at your handle release. You want to make sure that that's not damaged or broken in any way. Take a look at your power plug for the motor. You want to make sure that your ground plug is right there and the other two prongs are not damaged or burnt. We can take a look at the main wheels. You want to make sure there's no gouges in or they're not broken or anything like that. Now take a look at the start-run capacitor too. You want to make sure that there's no dents or no damage to those. So now what we want to do is we want to take a look at the motor. Just give it a good visual look to make sure it's not damaged or maybe there's no burn marks or anything like that. Now with the machine tilted back, go ahead and remove the pad driver. We're going to take a look at that. We're going to make sure that none of this is damaged or broken in any way. And if you need to replace your pad, go ahead and do that at this time. Take a look at your gimbal. Make sure your motor and gimbal spin freely. Take a look at the rubber shroud around the deck. You want to make sure that there is no gouges or damage to that as well. And that about wraps it up for this machine. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.